Hello guys, welcome back to our video. It's your boy Esin, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to create a verified cash app in any part of Africa. If you're from Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, any part in Africa, you'll be able to create a verified cash app account and use it. Okay guys, so please, if you're new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. And if at the end of the video guys, if this video helped you guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, share, comment down below what you think, comment down below your thoughts, and comment down below what you want me to do next, what you want me to upload next. And guys, if you're a returning subscriber, I say welcome to you. I want to thank you guys so much for the love. We are about 1,100 subscribers right now, and we have already crossed the threshold and we're monetized. So guys, without that, without any further delay guys, let's go to our video. We are back on our live screening on our Technospark 4. Okay, so it's gonna be on my left. So guys, now what we need, all right, so what we need to verify our cash app. So the first thing we need is a mobile device, of which we got a mobile device. Okay guys, the second thing we need is a cash app, either from the Play Store or the Apple Store. I recommend either from the Play Store or the Apple Store. Do not get a cash app from the browser. Okay, get a cash app either from the Play Store or Apple Store. And if you don't know how to download the app from Play Store or Apple Store, there'll be a link here or a link down here. Just pause the video, click there, go watch the video. When you download the app, come back and continue. Okay, so now that's the second thing we need. Now guys, the third thing we need is our VPN. All right, so get any VPN that can connect you to the States. Okay, so get any VPN with that. And guys, the fourth thing we need for our cash app is either email address or phone number, but use both. All right, so you need an email address and a phone number, a US phone number, a US virtual phone number. All right, so you can use either a text now number, text me number, Google Voice, or Google IP virtual number. Okay, so you got that guys. The last but not the least, the fifth requirements we need guys. So guys, Cash App figure out that many of us have been using fake US identities to verify our Cash App, so they are strict now on verification. Okay, so we need real addresses, like real US addresses, okay, to verify our information. Okay, so guys, so now all of us, let me not say most of us, all of us have someone who's in the States. Okay, so one of my friends left Cameroon to the States a couple of months back, so I asked for his information for this video. So I'm not going to share his information with anyone. I repeat, I won't share his information with anyone. I'm just using information for the purpose of this video. I'm gonna blur every part of the video that concerns his information. Okay guys, so what you want to do is to contact any of the family members in the States. Just beg them, all right, beg them for their full names, date of birth, last 4 digits of their social security number, and their home address. Okay, so guys, when you got that guys, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to open your VPN and connect. Okay, so that's my VPN already guys, it's already connected. So the second thing you want to do is to log in into your Cash App. Okay, so right now we're going into a Cash App. Okay, so we're going to different. Okay, so guys, right now what you want to do is to input either the phone number or the email address first. So I'm going to go for the phone number first. So 707-273-1439. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the code. Okay, so I'm using my laptop here, so I'm gonna wait for the code here. Okay, so my code is 212627. Okay, so click on next. Okay, so do you have a cash referral code? No, I have a cash referral code, so just click on skip. Okay, see, link a debit card. No, skip. So what's your first name? So this information is going to be blurred guys, like it's going to be blurred, like all of it is going to be blurred. If my keyboard also is going to be blurred, because you guys are very funny. Sorry guys, it's just that it's not my information, it's somebody's information. So use any cash tag, or just put how to create Cash App, right, as a cash tag. Okay, it's unavailable. How to create Cash App one, how to create Okay, so how to create is available. So let's click on next. So find out your preferable cash tag. Okay, so the zip code also is going to be blurred because it's not my information. Okay, so now please enter your current address. So I'm going to enter his address here, and it's going to be blurred. Everything is going to be blurred, guys. I'm very sorry. So okay, so invite friends and get $5 each. So if you invite somebody and they use Cash App, if they do a transaction, like if they send or receive money, guys, you get a commission from that. Okay, so you're going to click on skip. Okay, so welcome to Cash App, guys. So now we create a Cash App account that can only receive money but not send. Okay, so guys, now to verify this Cash App account, you need to deposit at least $1, a dollar into this Cash App, and when trying to send it back, guys, they're going to ask for your verification. Then only then can you verify the Cash App account. Okay, but now I do not have any cash in my other Cash App, so I'm going to do it the other way around. Okay, so the other way around is at your bottom left, just at that home, that 3 strokes, and like a home, it's like a house. Okay, so just go there, click on Bitcoin, guys, and you prompt you to enable withdrawals and deposit. Right, so click on enable withdrawal deposit. They'll ask you, we need a little more information to enable withdrawals and deposit. Guys, let me repeat. All right, I'm just trying to verify the Cash App account. I'm not trying to enable it because nobody out of the state can enable Cash App withdrawals and deposit. I'm very sorry. Okay, so just click on continue, and they say enter the email address you would like to use with cash. So just put Justin. I'm just going to put my email address, the email address I'll be using. So they're going to send me an email here. Let me just check for the email. They're going to send you a code. Okay, so my code is 726 Okay, so select the main reason you use Bitcoin. Okay, so I'll choose investing. Click on next. Okay, I'll choose investment. Click on next. Self-employed. Next. Okay, your job title, entrepreneur. Yes. Okay, so business name, let's just put EsinTech. All right, guys, EsinTech. Okay, to confirm your identity, verify your full name. So that's it. Next. Okay, your date of birth, because I said I'm going to blur all of this part is going to be blurred. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, like I'm sorry. Okay, verify identity with a driver's license. Okay, so guys, now this way I'm going to end. All right, so when you verify the first name, the date of birth, and the SSN, that's all. Now you can receive and send money. Okay, so there's no need verifying identity with a driver's license or state ID, like it said there, or state ID, US state ID to continue. So I'm going to click on back, and that's it, guys. So guys, we have a verified Cash App account that can receive and send money in any part in Africa. So if you're in Africa, you want to create a verified Cash App account, this video is meant for you. So guys, if this video helped you guys, please don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, guys, and please, like I said, subscribe. Okay, like subscribe, and then turn on the post notification bell icon so that I'll notify you whenever I upload video like this. Okay, I'll be doing an update on this video. Okay, and I've been receiving so many requests on how to solve this problem on able to sign on this device, guys. Okay, so I just got a new method, but I'm gonna do that after next month. Okay, and guys, tomorrow is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. I love you all. Peace out. Bye.